Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop what you're doing and look at this kitchen. This is the definition of a dream home. It's Modern Tudor meets organic, and the vibe is just insane. First off, the colors. That classic rustic red brick on the walls, it is absolutely gorgeous. And when you pair it with these creamy, gorgeous shaker cabinets, it's a totally fresh contrast. It's warm, it's cozy, but it's still super polished. The counters? Oh my gosh, the counters. They're this breathtaking white marble with subtle veining. Honestly, it's a game changer. And the function. Look at this massive island. I'm guessing it's at least 7 feet long. You could host a whole party just prepping food here. Plus, it has a secondary prep sink, which is genius. But my favorite detail? That giant window above the main farmhouse sink? It's huge, maybe 6 feet wide, set under a perfect brick arch. Imagine washing dishes there. That's totally giving peaceful main character energy, right? And the ceilings are so high, maybe 9 feet 6 inches. It just makes the whole space feel so grand. So many homes feel cramped, or their kitchens are just boring white boxes. But this design, it completely solves that drama. You get massive storage with those full-height pantry cabinets, tons of prep space, and the whole exposed brick element prevents it from feeling stuffy. It's timeless, but completely modern. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.